Hey there folks, it's Yakan here for Trend Ground. Yes, in this review video, we are going to talk about this GoPro Hero 11 Black in Malaysia. We are going to find out whether is it worth to get it or upgrade to it. Alright, so I'm not going to spare too much details on the specification of this brand new GoPro camera. Okay, if you want to know more, you can check out other videos and do a quick Google search, but I'll just add it in the description part of this video. Okay, so come on, let's dive down on this GoPro Hero 11 Black in Malaysia. Now, to start things off, we have to talk about the video performance on this GoPro Hero 11 Black. Okay, so now you can capture up to 5.3K 60 frames per second video, and that is really amazing, all in its 27 megapixel sensor. And not only that, this time this guy here, it could capture 10-bit color video. All right, and that is very good for those who are doing a lot of editing, because it will bring up your video much more vivid detail, smoother gradations, and more realism as well. Now, for the video quality, I do notice the video output is a little bit contrasty, a little bit to the darker side. Yes, if you want to compare back to the previous generation models. Now I am shooting with the linear and horizon lock on the GoPro Hero 11 5.3K 30 frames per second. So the next thing about the video performance on this Hero 11 Black is the new field of view called HyperView. So what HyperView allows the users is to able to capture even wider shot in its frame, and this is nice, but you have to remember there will be some distortion happening on this HyperView field of view mode. Alright guys, so I'm actually shooting with this GoPro Hero 11 Black in a 5.3K resolution, 30 frames per second in the HyperView field of view. As for those who want to capture low light condition videos, yeah, you can do that. I would say it looks quite okay to me. Okay, but it's definitely highly recommended for you to have a lighting device to help you brighten up, especially for those who are actually doing vlogs. Yeah, you definitely want to have a lighting device, so you have to buy the lighting mod to help increase the video quality in low light conditions. Alright folks, so this is being shot with the GoPro Hero 11 Black 5.3K 30 frames per second linear with horizon lock. So how is the video quality in low light conditions? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know in the comments. I also do know that some people use their action camera to capture photos as well when they are doing like extreme sports, or maybe they are on a trip. So how is the photo performance on this GoPro Hero 11 Black? Okay, so this time, because of the new taller sensor, okay, you can now shoot photos in 8:7 aspect ratio, and I think it is like crazy phenomenally tall, but the details from the photo is really nice. Definitely you need to go and turn on the HDR, and you are going to be capturing amazing photo shots. Okay, and for low light condition, you can use super night. Yeah, the photos are even much more better with super night. However, you need to make sure to put it on a tripod or something to stabilize it when you are in super night mode. Otherwise, the photos will be blurred. Okay, because it needs a longer exposure for the super night to work. Okay, so take note on that. And yeah, the photos here are really top notch. While you can capture videos up to 5.3K 60 frames per second, yes, definitely a lot of you guys are going to be asking this question. Hey, how is the battery life over here? So now let's talk about the battery performance over here. So all the GoPro Hero 11 Black now comes with Enduro battery included in the box for you guys. And definitely this Enduro battery is like a lifesaver if you love to capture in that 5.3K format. Because I tried it used for an outdoor shooting. Okay, 5.3K, 30 frames per second. I've shot like more than 30 minutes. Okay, and battery level will be around, like, if I remember, is around 46 or 48%, and that is actually pretty much good. Remember, you are capturing all the high quality formats in this small tiny action camera, and it could last that long. So imagine that if you are going to capture an hour of a 5.3K format on this GoPro Hero 11 Black, yeah, that's not a problem over here. But definitely highly recommended you to get another additional few more batteries, just in case, you know. So what about the other things that is new for this GoPro Hero 11 Black? Okay, so the next one is definitely the new menu layouts right now. Okay, it's in squarish. It's pretty much good. Okay, and the outer display, okay, the front display of this GoPro Hero 11 Black actually perform very well. It's very smooth. You don't feel any lagging over here, and it is a good thing to have that. Okay, and also the display right now, I can feel that it's even much more smoother operating the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Definitely, I will have to say, yeah, there's a massive improvement on this Hero 11 Black. Alright folks, it's time to wrap things up on this action camera. Alright, so in Malaysia, the GoPro Hero 11 Black will cost you 2,399 ringgit Malaysia. Is available right now for purchase. Okay, so the main question still remain: should you be getting the GoPro Hero 11 Black in Malaysia? I would definitely highly say, go ahead and buy it if you still haven't owned a action camera right now. Okay, and you're planning to like record your trips or maybe your outdoor sports. Having that GoPro Hero 11 Black is definitely amazing. You got really amazing video quality, photo quality, amazing battery life as well, and also uh, the new system layout is much more, a little bit much more intuitive, easy to navigate as well. So a plus side this time. But however, if you have like the previous model, maybe perhaps the GoPro Hero 10 Black, I may not recommend you guys to upgrade it so fast yet, because apart from some new features, I don't think you are going to miss out a lot. Maybe perhaps on the next model, you may go and upgrade it. But if your budget is allowing you for the upgrade to the 11, yeah, I say go ahead and upgrade it. If you have the budget, go ahead. But if you don't have the budget, would say it's not necessary to upgrade to the 11 right now. So yeah, that's my recommendation and final verdict for the GoPro Hero 11 Black in Malaysia. Yeah, go ahead, go and check it out. There are some videos I have actually recorded on this GoPro Hero 11 Black. Also, make sure go and check it out. And once again, special shout out thanks to GoPro Malaysia for providing this loan review unit for review purposes. However, there's no cash compensation for this review content. Therefore, there's no final approval, nor any creative input by them. Okay, whatever I'm saying is based on more than 2 weeks of experiencing this action camera. Yeah, everything is based on that vigorous 2 weeks of testing it out and definitely an enjoyable moment to review this action camera. All right, so guys, hope you guys know about that. And if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on social media, like the video, drop some comments, share it out, and perhaps also hit the notification bell if you are there as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? I'm Ken for Train Ground, signing off.